To send money from Canada to Dubai, you need to follow a series of steps. First, you must determine the purpose of the transfer and the amount you want to send. This will help you choose the most suitable method for your needs. There are several options available, including banks, money transfer services, and online platforms. Banks often charge high fees and may have lower exchange rates, while money transfer services like Western Union and MoneyGram can be faster but also more expensive. Online platforms such as TransferWise and Z Money Transfer usually offer better exchange rates and lower fees. Next, you need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details. If you are using a money transfer service, you will also need to provide identification and proof of address. Once you have chosen your method and gathered the necessary information, you can initiate the transfer. For online platforms, this typically involves creating an account, entering the recipient's details, and confirming the transfer. For banks and money transfer services, you may need to visit a physical location or call their customer service. After initiating the transfer, you will receive a reference number or tracking number, which you can use to monitor the status of the transfer. The recipient will typically receive the funds within 1 to 5 business days, depending on the method and the recipient's bank. To get the best exchange rate and lowest fees, it is essential to compare the rates and fees of different providers before making a transfer. You should also ensure that the provider you choose is reputable and secure, with a good track record of successful transfers. In summary, sending money from Canada to Dubai requires careful planning and research to choose the most suitable method for your needs. By following these steps and considering your options carefully, you can ensure a safe and efficient transfer of funds.